Alright, what's going on guys? Bevin Dennis here with another video for you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a simple and effective ab workout which you can do anywhere at home with no equipment needed. Before we get started, I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel and shown their love and support. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel if you're interested in watching more fitness related content. Let's aim to get 1000 subscribers. Now without wasting much time, let's just get right into it. The first exercise we have is the plank. While performing this exercise, most of us make a lot of mistakes, like dropping our hips or lifting our hips too high. Generally, most of us perform this exercise in a neutral body position, which means that our spine is in a straight position. But there is one important factor that makes this exercise way more effective, that is our shoulder blade movement and our spine. We should aim for a rounded back position known as the hollow body position. The main reason we aim for this position is because of the better activation of the serratus anterior, obliques and core. The serratus anterior is important for shoulder strength and health. It helps in performing various overhead pushing movements like the bench press, shoulder press, etc. And last but not the least, we must remember to keep our glutes squeezed at all times. We will be performing the plank for 30 to 40 seconds and then we move on to the second exercise. In the second exercise, we have mountain climbers. Just like the plank, while performing this exercise, we want to keep our back rounded and in a hollow body position. We want to aim to bring our knees up to our chest to get the most out of this exercise. We will perform this exercise for 15 to 20 seconds and then move on to the third exercise. Next up, we have the hollow body hold. While performing this exercise, we must keep in mind that our lower back is not arched. It should be flat on the floor, because if our lower back is arched, all the stress is removed from the abdominal muscles and falls on the lower back, causing us to get injured. This exercise strengthens your core and helps you build a good foundation for performing many advanced bodyweight movements like the front lever, the back lever, etc. We will hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds and then move on to the next exercise. Next up, we have leg lift extensions. Just like the hollow body hold, in this exercise, we must keep our lower back flat on the ground, and what we will be doing is a leg lift followed by a hip raise. This helps to target the rectus abdominal, which is our lower abs. And remember, while doing this exercise, after you lift your hip up, then while lowering it back down, you do not want to bring your legs completely low, because if you keep bringing your legs completely low, that will cause you to arch your lower back, therefore removing all the stress from the abdominal region. And that is not what we are aiming for here. We want to aim to keep the stress on our rectus abdominal, lower ab region, in order to get most out of this exercise. We will perform this exercise for 8 to 10 reps and then we are done. Now if you put all the exercises that I have shown you in this workout in a circuit, this is how it's going to look. This will be one set. We'll perform this circuit for another 4 sets in order to get complete activation of your rectus abdominal, your core, your obliques and your serratus anterior. If you like this video, please share it and click the thumbs up icon. And once again, if you're interested in watching more fitness related content, please do subscribe to the channel.